Alright guys, so today I'm going to do a quick review on my Park Snug game card reader. So it's perfect for anyone who owns a Switch. I'm going to do an unboxing and then like a full install and review on it. So let's check it out so you kind of see what it does. I think it's pretty neat. So this is the device itself. So what's cool is you get to load 4 of your more favorite games here, and you will be able to switch with this device without having to actually take it off and put it in the Switch or anything like that. And then it'll store an additional 4, so that way you're ready to go in case you just need to move this one to this one or something like that. And then you get the remote for it, so very cool. Let's see, the manual, and then a charger. So, all right, well, let's test this out. I got my Switch here, and if I'm not mistaken, this just snaps on to this back piece, like so. I line that up so it looks nice and neat. So like that, and then let's take these off. I don't think I have a game in here at the moment. Nope, good. Go ahead and put that in there. Insert this one, like so. Oh, okay. And then last but not least, go ahead and hook it up. It is a Type-C cable. So plug it in, and like everything is designed to fit perfectly. So like the game cartridge is right by where it should be, the USB is right where it should be. So even though it's not that long, it actually doesn't need to be because it's literally right where it needs to be. Okay, there it is. Perfect. Didn't take but I don't know 2 minutes to set up. Let's go ahead and hook it up to the TV and see how it works. All right, but before we do, I'm gonna go ahead and insert some of my games into these slots here. Awesome. And this will actually help protect the games better than probably just like having them out like how I did. All right, now let's get it put on the Switch and see how this works. All right, guys, so we got it hooked up. So I just literally hooked it up to my TV docking station. Turned on, just didn't really do anything else on top of that. So here we have the switcher. So right now, I believe it's on Super Mario, so let's try it out. Bam, so now I just moved it, ready to go on 2K, ready to go on LA. This is freaking awesome. Super Mario Deluxe, like it's literally just switching the game. Let's try it out. Let's do Super Mario. Bam, just loaded it just like that. Man, that's really, really neat. So you don't have to be going back and forth, switching out your games. Keeps them well in this case. So if you're looking for a nice Nintendo Switch protector and switcher, highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.